Hi guys, another one of my 3D printed quick mounts for my Samsung Galaxy A71 cameras. This one, you just slot it in like that. That fitting on the bottom there is the right fitting for the tripod that I use regularly. In fact, it's the one I'm using at the moment. But I've also put a hole in the bottom of it so we can stick one of these brass ferrules in there so we can use the normal 1/4 inch thread. So soldering iron's been warming up a bit. See if I can put it on there without burning my fingers. Hasn't warmed up enough yet. Oh yes we are. Now we're going. Try and get it level. Okay. Job done. So multi-purpose. Also works for if I just want to stand it on the table. It's not terribly stable. I mean, you can knock it over, but for most of the time, you're not going to be shaking it around when you're trying to film. So that will film like that. Or I can fit it on my tripod, or we can fit it on a normal 1/4 inch ferrule, whatever it's called. Thread. So a quick demo. It's still a little bit warm, but not hot. So that will fit on a normal 1/4 inch thread. So we can use it like that. Or if I take that off, take the camera off the tripod, and that one is going to fit on there for me. So I can use it on there if I want. That's my Miranda tripod. Don't know if it's got any other number on it. Obviously one of my charity shop finds. Oh, there we are. Miranda TP35. TP tripod? 35? No idea. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.